In a softly lit nursery, Maya, a 10-month-old explorer, spots a tiny itch on her nose and grins. She pokes it, makes a silly face, and unleashes a sneeze that sends bubbles of giggles into the air. The sneeze topples her gently, but she turns the tumble into a playful roll, cheeks rosy with delight. Her pastel onesie carries the idiom "spill the beans" as she uncovers a hidden plush behind the shelf. With twinkling eyes, Maya repeats the joke, signaling that brave little discoveries can start with a sneeze and a smile.